yan. So hanggang mamaya mga kapatid, samahan niyo kami. Okay?
To the beach and we're going to go kayaking. I'm so excited. We're going to sing the row.
Okay, let's go. We are going to Alright guys, so we gotta do kayaking and I'm so excited as Mario said. So okay, this is it. Ready, Adi? Arya! Yes, baby.
Can I go in now?
Alright guys, we're gonna start our journey for our kayaking, so let's walk. You ready for it? Right on!
Hello, party people. So we're just sailing our boat and we want to sing.
We are doing the kayaking.
Yeah, we're
It's a
doing.
good exercise for Papa. You know?
So I want to sing you a song about this boat.
Oh, come on, baby.
Wow.
Oy, Pilipino pala kayo. Taga saan pa kayo? Chatong Sao, pero malapit lang din sa Bangkok.
Row your boat gently down the stream. If you see a crocodile, don't forget to scream.
Ooh. Nice.
So right now I'm scared of the waves because there's the big waves and maybe we'll just go over the boat. So silly. The good thing we have life jackets so that we will float. I hope we don't.
Who say no? Who say no? Say
No way, Jose.
no way. Who say?
So no one is here rowing the boat. I only can see someone there. So Papa is turfing. I don't know what is Papa doing, but he's doing his thing. We see a lot of things and the mountains.
Oh, sorry. I think you sit down like that. Oh. Sorry, okay. Hit your
Head.
head.
Well,
Woo! It's deep already, ate.
deep.
Yeah, look at how far we are already. Amazing.
But Papa, can we turn so that we can row?
What do you mean?
Can we turn?
Torn?
Yes.
Let me check how deep is it. Oh, it's not really deep. I can touch.
But Papa, can we turn? Right. Oh no! Papa, check if it's deep or not. So right now it's not deep. So I was thinking Papa can do a turn. So I was thinking Papa could do a turn. So Papa, can you do a turn for us? Please do a turn.
Who's
Please, can we do a turn? How do we get back?
Oh, it's so fun, ate.
Yeah, it's so fun,
It's good exercise.
I know.
Are we gonna reach on that island?
But Papa, are we going? If we go home, you don't know how to turn. How do we go back?
Huh?
If we cannot turn, how do we go back to the shore?
Woo! It's amazing.
Papa, please. Do you know how to turn? I think we're going to go there.
Huh?
I think we're going to go there.
Just relax, okay?
Relax. Relax makes enough. I hope no waves are pushing us. Papa, how did you turn?
Ah, that's fast.
The more fast you go, the faster we can go back.
Hooray! Woo! So how to do the kayaking, ate? Do you want to experience it?
Well, hey, Baba, you're going back to the wrong direction.
Yeah, I know.
What's wrong? I thought you know what you're doing.
You have to do like this if you're gonna turn.
Ah,
We'll go there.
but who's that over there?
Woo, it's so fun, ate. Come on. Hi guys, I think we reached like 100 meters already. And
What do you mean 100 meters?
Yeah, that we far.
Oh, 100 meters. That's silly. Look like I can see someone coming.
Woo! Alex! Hello! Hello!
Well, Papa's going back to the shore. So Papa's turning back to the shore.
Oh, sorry, ate.
Start again. 2 times already, Papa.
Woo. Ate, Papa gonna jump.
No!
Papa gonna jump na.
No! Don't jump. I'm
May
going
alon
to
lang konti.
fall. I'm going to fall now. Jump. It's fun, but we need to pay.
Balik na kayo? We gonna go to that island.
What do you mean go? But Papa, our car.
That island. Did you see that, guys? We're gonna go to that island, okay?
What? The small one?
Yeah, Papa gonna take a rest first. Woo, why the water is so salty?
It should be so.
Giggling, giggling.
Papa, I don't like it. What is that for? We're going to drown. Papa!
Dance, dance, dance. Alright guys, so syempre dito guys, masarap talaga magka-kayaking dahil you are exercising at the same time you're having fun, right, Adi?
Yes, when you're
Yeah.
exercising, it's fun.
Yeah, so we are trying to go to that island there, but what do you think, Ate? Are we able to go to get on that island over there?
Before you go at home.
Alright, so the weather is a bit cloudy and today is our last day here in Koh Chang.
Yeah, and I
So?
can't remember my home.
Ooh.
I can't remember anymore.
Let's go with them, huh?
Yes, let's go. Yellow and purple.
Kaya ba natin puntahan yung island?
Malayo.
Mababaw din daw yun.
Ha?
Mababaw pa.
Mababaw yan pag may life jacket. Tama na to.
Are we really going to go to that island?
Yeah, let's go.
Are we going to the island that it already have a green? Yes or no? Which one are we going to go first? That. Why is water spraying? It should be spraying or what?
Alright guys, so as you can see guys, Ate Mariel's touring. He's gonna doing the sagwan. Here you go.
Wow!
Ate is doing the kayaking. Hooray! Hooray, hooray, hooray. Ate, come on. Awesome.
Are we going to turn?
Oh, it's ready. Oh, it's ready.
Not raining.
It's ready.
Where? Are we
It's
going to the other
raining.
island?
Yeah, now it's Adi's turn. How does Adi's paddling. Ate, you turn this way. This way. It's a bit hard now. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, just like that. Okay.
1, 2.
Ate Mariel is doing the kayaking. Okay, Ate, come on. Go, stop now.
Come on, Mario. Go.
Ate, the paddle.
Mario, I go to
The paddle is like this. Like you see this one, no? Like, look at this. This one, no? This one. So not like it will go.
Look, it's not
Oh, come on.
here.
Okay, go. Okay, ready? Okay, go. Just one. Wow.
Oh, why is it wiggling?
Okay, good job, Ate. You have
Wow!
Oh, it's me. Go on the boat.
Woo, good job, Ate. Good job. Oh, hello. Hello. Woohoo! Ate can do it. Woohoo! Woohoo! Good job, Ate. Good job. Good job, Ate. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job, Ate. Good job. Good job, Ate. Good job. Alright guys, so we are done with our kayaking. So what do you think, Ate?
You want to see my shell? My new beautiful shell?
Yeah, we're done with our kayaking. So if you like this video,
Please
click like.
subscribe to my channel. And if you like it, subscribe. If you love it, click the button.
Alright, bye-bye! Hanggang sa susunod natin mga adventure dito lang yun sa Shining TV!